Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code for Basic. I'm Amin. Today we'll learn about input tags of HTML. Input tags is used to take input from the data in a web page. Yesterday we learned about the heading tags. Today we'll learn about the input tags. Inside the body, just go to the code, and inside the body just type input and press enter, and the code gets auto populated in VS Code. Here we can see type is equal to text. This is called an attribute. This type is called as an attribute, and this is called a value of an attribute. Here the value is text. If I save this and just move to the folder where my web page is created and double click on it, the page opens in the browser. Here, if I click here, see, as you can see, there is a input tag over here, input box. When I type something over here, it get reflected. This is the type as text. If I go to VS Code and write another code below this input, uh, here I will just replace type is equal to text to password. Now you will see what's the difference between text and the password input. Uh, Now I will refresh the page. Here we can see there are two input box. First is of type text and the second is of type password. If I type here, it comes in the form of password. These are the two tags. I'll just show you another tags. There are so many different types of input tags. Okay, yeah, here type I just I'll give as date and save the page and go to the browser and reload the page, and we can see here the one more uh, box of type uh, date. When I click on this icon, you can see the date. I can select the date over here. If I select 12 January 22, it get reflected over here 12/01/2022. Now we'll go to the VS Code and write the another tag, that is time input type as time. I just write here time, save the browser and reload the page. Here we can see the another box of type text of type time. If I select time, it will get reflected over here, and the another tag input. Now I'll give a input as file. This is also mostly used in almost all the websites. Now I have saved the VS Code and refreshing the browser. Here you can see the another button as choose file. If I click on this button, the file manager gets open. If I just select any file, the file name is coding. If I just select, it will get reflected over here. The selected file get reflected over here. If I select this file, you can see the name got changed. Now I'll move to the VS Code and write another type as input type as color. This is a rarely used tag. If I refresh the page, you can see there is a box filled with black color. If I click on this, you will get a color palette where you can select the different colors. If I just move the cursor over here, you can see in the box the color get changed. I'll just select some, okay, this color. I'll make it dark and see the color gets selected over here. And we are done with the text, password, date, time, file, color, and one more input tag. There is one more input tag which is mostly used is checkbox. Save the page, go to the browser, reload the page. After the color palette, there is a box. This is known as checkbox. When I click here, it will get checked. If I click again, it will get unchecked. And now we'll see the another type, input type as radio. If I go to the browser and reload the page, we can see there is another input type of radio. If I just click once, it will get filled. and we can't unfill this. If I click here, it will not change. Why? Because we have to give a name property over there, which we will see in the future videos. Okay, for today, that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.